Okay, well, a system will be making its way in as we head into the evening, so for that reason, we do have a winter weather advisory out for a couple of our counties here into Menominee County and also into Florence County and into Wisconsin. That is going to be until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning Central Standard Time. We'll be watching out for roughly around maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow to come in as we head into the evening, with some places maybe picking up just a bit more right there. But as we go throughout the entire region, we are expecting a bit more of that snowfall, especially after the system moves off to the east. Cooler air comes in behind it, more lake effect snow. We could even be looking out for more of these advisories to be issued as we head throughout the evening. So we'll continue to keep you updated on that for sure. But here's a look at the disturbance right now. Snowfall just off to our west, beginning to push its way into northern Wisconsin, and also seeing the center of it farther to the south and to the west here into Iowa. But we are going to see that snow move in as we head into the evening, continue on throughout tonight, on into tomorrow, and then eventually begin to taper off just a bit for a few of us. But for the rest of us, we'll be looking out for that lake effect snow on into late Tuesday night and into early Wednesday. Your current conditions at 27 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, winds not too bad for us at the moment. More of those upper 20s for us here in Marquette. As you head off to the west, you will notice conditions around the same type of numbers, upper 20s in Ontonagon, at 30 degrees currently in Houghton, 28 in Ironwood, and eastward in the lower 30s, Munising at 30 degrees right now, 30 in St. Ignace, 32 in Escanaba, and Ishpeming at 28. So relatively mild for this time of the year, typical highs in the lower 20s. Well, current winds coming in from the southeast, 5 here into Houghton, at 8 in Munising, while at 6 in Iron Mountain, otherwise calm in Escanaba and in Ironwood. And your current temperatures across the state, upper 20s and lower 30s here across the UP, seeing more of those low to mid 30s as you go farther south, and even Flint and Detroit in the 40s. At the current moment. Here's a look at your headlines. The snow will continue to increase for us as we head into the evening, and that continues on as we head into Tuesday. And cooling off again behind the system as we'll drop those highs closer to right around those averages, maybe even a few degrees below those averages as we get into Wednesday before more of that milder air comes back later on into the week. But here's a look at our snowfall as we go into early Wednesday morning. It's going to be right around maybe 4 to 8 inches along Lake Superior as you go farther south in those areas that are currently in advisory here into Menominee County, expecting more around 3 to 6 inches of snow, and farther south and east, probably a pocket of just only 1 to 3. But we are going to see that snow does come in throughout the night, causes slick road conditions. Travel going to be a bit tricky out there, so make sure to be careful as you head out tonight and early tomorrow morning. But here's a look at the system itself coming in from the south and from the west, providing more of an icy threat as you go into northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin. For us, it should remain all snow, and as we head into tomorrow, system gets out of here pretty quickly. Behind it will be a cold front allowing that cooler air to come in and take a hold of the region for at least one day as we head into Wednesday. Your futurecast model into the night, seeing the snow continue to increase and seeing some of those heavy pockets at times, especially as you go a little farther off to the east right here. But that does taper off, seeing more of that lake effect snow as we head into Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, before that tapers off by Tuesday night. And behind that will be, well, another chance of some snow for us, but it doesn't look to be quite as potent or doesn't have much as moisture as the one we're going to be dealing with tonight. But here's a look at this evening's forecast. We'll drop down to 24 degrees as the heavier snow does begin to enter for us. Winds, though, shouldn't be too much of a factor. Heading into Tuesday, snow showers will linger on. Winds out of the northwest between 10 to 20. 25 for your high in Lawrence, at 24 in Ontonagon. More of those lower 30s in Florence and in Iron Mountain, Escanaba. 32 degrees, Manistee at 32, Munising at 32, and here Marquette at 26 degrees. Your 7-day forecast, snow for us on Tuesday. Maybe a slight chance early Wednesday, but we should remain partly cloudy, mostly dry too. Highs in those middle 20s, bouncing back up into the upper 20s as we head into Thursday before another drop comes back in as we go into Friday, with another chance of snow also on the way for us. But the weekend doesn't look to be too bad at all. Look at those highs returning into the lower 30s, so another mild weekend ahead of us as we go into Saturday and Sunday. But we do have to get through tonight first, so make sure to take it easy on the roadways. Watch out for the icy conditions for sure. And, well, maybe have fun in the snow if you're going to have some of it out there for yourselves, if you'll see, if you have some kids, that is.